The BISON Denim 20-inch carry-on luggage is a perfect travel companion with its airline-approved size and expandable design, allowing for extra packing space when needed. Constructed from 100% polycarbonate, this luggage is both lightweight and durable, offering excellent protection for your belongings during travel. The suitcase features innovative organization options with compression straps, zippable fabric panels, and a front-opening compartment that fits a 15.6-inch laptop and an iPad securely. Equipped with smooth, quiet, 360-degree spinning wheels, this carry-on ensures effortless mobility through busy airports and crowded streets. Security is prioritized with a TSA-certified lock, giving travelers peace of mind knowing their items are securely stored. Convenience is enhanced with a built-in USB port for device charging, a side cup holder for drinks, and a smooth gliding telescoping handle for easy maneuverability.